This is the IELTS Speaking Mock Test, taking place at IELTS Listening Hub. The candidate is Neha Sharma. Candidate number 021-548-578. The examiner is William. Examiner number 185493. Good morning. My name is William. I'll be your examiner today.
Good morning, sir.
Could you please tell me your full name?
Yes, my name is Neha Sharma.
Thank you, Neha. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much. You may keep it now. Okay, let's start the test. All right, Neha. In part 1, I will ask you some questions. Let's talk about studying and learning. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, actually, I enjoy learning English. I feel happy when I learn new words. And I like watching English movies and listening to songs to practice.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was in primary school, maybe around 6 years old. At that time, I didn't understand much, but slowly I improved.
What do you find difficult about learning English?
Sometimes grammar is confusing, especially tenses, and also speaking in front of people. I feel shy and scared to make mistakes.
Okay, thank you. Now we will move on to part 2. I will give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak for up to 2 minutes. Here is a paper and pen for notes. Your preparation time starts now. Please begin speaking.
Okay, so an English class that I really enjoyed was a speaking activity class during my last year of school. It happened around 8 months ago. Our teacher, Mr. David, he planned a debate activity to improve our confidence and speaking skills. The topic was, should students have mobile phones in school? We were divided into 2 groups. One group supported the idea, and another group was against it. I was in the team supporting mobile phones. At first, I was very nervous. My hands were shaking because I was scared to speak English in front of the whole class. But my teacher told us, don't worry about mistakes, just speak freely. So I tried. And surprisingly, I spoke for almost 2 minutes without stopping. Everyone clapped, and my teacher said, "Good job, Rohan, you are improving." That moment gave me a lot of confidence. We also learned many new expressions and vocabulary, like advantages, disadvantages, responsibility, distraction, and I still remember them. I enjoyed this lesson because I felt proud of myself. It changed my thinking about English. After that day, I was not afraid of speaking anymore. So, this English class was very special for me, and I will always remember it.
Thank you. Now let's continue with part 3. What makes an English class interesting?
I think an English class becomes interesting when teachers use creative activities like games, speaking practice, role play, and group discussions. If students only read from the book, it becomes boring. But when students participate actively, they learn faster and enjoy more.
Do you think children should start learning English early?
Yes, I think learning early is very helpful. Kids learn languages faster because their mind is flexible. Also, English is important for education, jobs, and communication. So, starting at a young age gives them more time to practice and become confident speakers.
How can technology help in learning English?
Technology is very useful today. Students can learn through apps, YouTube videos, online classes, and digital dictionaries. They can listen to native speakers, watch movies with subtitles, and practice with AI tools. It makes learning more interesting and convenient.
Do you think group learning is better than self-study?
Both are important. Self-study helps you focus and learn at your own speed. But group learning builds confidence, speaking skills, and teamwork. So I believe a combination of both is the best.
Thank you. That is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.
If you enjoyed this mock test, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS speaking videos.